Hey y'all, Off-Price 2025 is almost here, and we've got the inside scoop to help you make the most out of your trip. Keep watching for all the details you should know before you go to the show.
Can you believe it? We're celebrating our 60th show in Las Vegas. For over 30 years, Off-Price has been the industry's favorite money-making destination. We're excited to continue this tradition for years to come. Our February event looks a little different this year. We've worked hard to refine the floor plan and make booths and aisles even easier to navigate. If some of your favorite exhibitors have moved, don't you worry. The mobile app will be your best friend. Use it to search by company, category, or booth location right from your phone. And if you need some extra help, visit our information desk for personalized guidance and booth recommendations. Before you arrive, let's cover a few key details. First, make sure to register online. Off-Price is free for verified retailers and buyers who provide the necessary credentials. For details on requirements, visit the Why Attend page on our website. Once registered, it's a great idea to browse the exhibitor directory ahead of time. The show floor can get pretty busy, so booking meetings with key vendors in advance ensures you won't miss out. You can also explore product features in our directory to discover new suppliers, all available online or in our Off-Price Las Vegas mobile app. As always, we want you to have a little fun while you're working hard in Vegas. So don't forget to check out our schedule of events and happenings. Some of the show's highlights include our Super Bowl halftime happy hour, our Boutique 101 tour with the Boutique Hub and the Buying Agency, both on day one, as well as our Cash and Carry Sip and Shop on Tuesday. Network with industry colleagues, learn new tips and tricks, and enjoy some well-deserved treats. One reason buyers love our show is for the ability to get the hottest and most current trends at a fraction of the price. These are just a handful of the new and exciting companies showcasing their deals at Off-Price this season. Check out the directory for our full list. Now you've got all the key details to plan ahead for Off-Price Las Vegas 2025. Our goal is to create a seamless and successful experience for every buyer. If there's anything we can do to help, don't hesitate to reach out. We can't wait to see you in Las Vegas.